So hello everyone,
Hello.
welcome to the new day and new vlog. Today we have with us our beloved Muntasir, and we thought that today we'll discuss about the orientation course that we attended, especially the 3-day program that we attended. You must have seen one of the videos, or you can see in the RPTU Kaiserslautern playlist, where we discussed that is the orientation course mandatory or not. But today, the orientation course that we are about to discuss is a free course.
That's true.
First of all,
Completely free and important.
and I think it's important for us. If suppose you are not there in the orientation course which is paid, like you can see that video and you can see the specific details that we discussed. Now if we start with this 3-day program of orientation course.
So yeah, actually university mails you beforehand that there is an orientation program for 3 days.
Yeah.
And they announce the date as well in the mail.
Yeah.
So do check your mail, and then on that day they will mention the buildings as well.
Yeah.
Usually for us it was started in building 48.
Yeah.
But it will be mentioned in the mail.
Correct.
And the 3 day actually divided into multiple sections.
Yeah.
In each day there were multiple
Points which were discussed.
points which were discussed. Also in the last day there was some event.
Yeah.
So they will send
Oh,
you the
yeah.
schedule. Yeah, so they
Now
will
I
send you the schedule. Now you remember. So at
Yeah.
first, if I would say from the beginning, the first is about your curriculum and important things. For
Yeah.
example, we have made the videos, but they will also explain what is the specialization, how many credits you have to complete,
Correct.
what are the specializations that is there, what is the way of taking the specialization,
And
for
what are the
example.
possible courses you can take, how you
Yes,
can take your major, how you can take your minor specialization.
That's true. And the rules and guidelines, for example, this is your supplement and you can take this much credit
Yeah.
in this section.
Yeah.
This is your first part. These are the questions.
Yeah.
And also for that there was many people actually that are already doing majors on those subjects. So they have actually body. Here is a body program as well. So we can go to them and ask them question like, I want to do major in this section.
Yeah.
So what should I do, or what subjects should I prefer? You can
Yeah.
ask those as well.
Yeah.
And then this is about our curriculum and the basic informations about KIS.
Yeah.
For example, there you actually can see the routines and the subjects.
Yeah.
And the exams dates as well.
Yeah.
And then QIS, what is that, why we should go there, and the exam registration process as well.
Yeah.
So
I think the basic details related to the portals, which
Correct.
portal you have to visit. For example, how you can see the courses in OLAT, right?
yeah,
Like,
that's true.
Yeah.
For OLAT, there's actually mentioned that this is how you should go, this is how you should
yeah,
register.
this is how you should make an account. Also, I think when you collect your ID card, you get passwords, certain passwords, for example, to access the portals. So for that, how you have to go, you can ask your queries there. Now, one point I need to mention, I guess, which is this is the orientation program for Informatik department.
Correct.
So the specialization, as he talked about, like there was a buddy program. So I think in one of the days, like I think the first day, as he said, there was the details related to the specialization options, how the curriculum is divided. They explains you, I think, using the
Yeah.
slide, and also tell you that where you have to go. And you can see our video as well. We have also tried to explain the curriculum. In the second day, as he said, about the various portals. And also I think as far as I remember, in one of the days, I think the third day, there were certain people sitting in different places.
Correct.
And suppose one of the person has the cue card as
That's
information.
your body, I would say.
Yeah, so you can go to them and maybe ask the questions that, okay, if I want to take intelligent systems, how you planned your subjects, which
Correct.
subjects can I take in this semester, because we went to certain sections and I think asked.
Usually what happens is the software engineering person is actually mostly crowded, but there are other specialization as well.
Yeah.
So what happens, like the students who are doing the specialization in that section, the RPTU authority mails them and asks that if you are interested, you can come into the buddy program, and they help us. The senior students help us clarify our confusions.
And I think this time also we received a mail that if you want to be part in the certain.
you can join.
Yeah, and I think this time, since they asked this thing, so I guess that for the students who are coming in the upcoming summer semester, they will also have certain type of orientation course, because we also received this mail that if you want to be the part of the orientation program, the 2-3 days, I think 3 days, because in our time it was 3 days. Also, if I talk about the date, then I think I came, because I came in winter semester. So I came, I think
I would say it's actually 1 week before of your exam class starts.
Yeah.
So within the 1 week range. So
Yeah.
even if you are coming late, maybe 1 week before your class, then you can attend.
Yeah, because as far as I remember, I came in the first week of October. And when you came?
Same 29th of September. I would
Yeah.
say.
So in that range, we,
For us, it was maybe 17th of October, something like that.
yeah, 17th, 18th October, 18, 19, 20, or
17th,
17, 18, 19.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
And for this semester also, I maybe noticed that it is similar to that.
Yeah.
So
And
that's another point. Another important point was that in the 3-day program,
yeah.
half of the day, at least half 1 hour, 2 to 3 hour, they explain latex. And
Yeah.
they actually explain latex in every details, like these are
Yeah.
the important points, this
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
the important ones. Maybe you can make a video of what is latex, why you should do it.
Yeah.
So that's another topic.
Yeah.
But this latex is the important point.
Yeah.
Some kind of language that you know
Yeah.
to complete everything. So that was very helpful.
Yeah.
I knew the basics from the latex.
Yeah.
So that's actually was helpful.
This is a good point that you mentioned, and I think we only will try to make a video about it, but after we submit our seminar, because that work we are
That
doing
is that is being done in latex.
in latex. So I think we can share our experience once our seminar is done, or maybe once we are done with the writing part, then we can maybe talk one day about what are the things that we are using in latex or how we are managing it. Now, in our time, I think the session started on 24th October, something like that.
Correct.
So as he said, 1 week before you can expect the orientation course. So even suppose, because I think you get the mail in August that there is an paid orientation course. So if you're, for certain reasons, if you're not able to take part in that, although it has also its benefits and advantages, but if you're not able to join that, then still you can attend this orientation course and get to know about various things, as we said. And also with the buddies, you can discuss about the subjects.
And the last part, I would say that within the 3-day orientation course, the 2.5 days like information, knowing things, how to do things. But the last half of the day is very interesting.
Why?
They are actually, we go to excursion. This is
Oh,
fixed
yeah.
that we do the excursion.
Yeah.
What happens is that they say a lot of things, lot of information, and then they say, let's go outside.
Yeah.
Then you all together go outside and you go to the tower. Humbertum Tower. That there is a tower in the Kaiserslautern forest that is back there. So we went to the tower.
Yeah.
That was, I should say, 3 to 4 kilometer work.
Yeah.
So if you are not walking a lot in your home country, then it would be little bit difficult, little bit exciting, new experiences. You are walking through the forest, so that
Yeah.
was another nice experience.
Yeah.
And we came back maybe in the night, almost it was night.
Oh, you went there?
Yeah,
I
went
think I
there.
didn't go there, but
So all of these are optional, but I went there to excursion. It was a nice event.
Yeah.
I went to the tower. The hike was difficult, but when you reach to the top and you see the view is astonishing.
yeah.
So that's another experience you can achieve by
Yeah.
attending the
The orientation course.
Yeah, that's right.
Actually, you are doing some presentation things, so
Yeah.
presentation is also going in the mind.
mentioning,
But one more thing is that for the second half, as he said, I think you go to the excursion along with a bag, because when the course
Yeah,
got-
they actually give you goodie bag.
Goodie
with
bag.
lot of things.
but I think it's first come first serve. So what happened was, I think I was sitting in third or fourth row. So you just go and you get a bag. So I have still the RPTU
mug.
or TU because then it was
Yeah,
TU.
TU mug.
Yeah, TU
It
mug.
was a nice mug.
Yeah, so
And
you-
there was various
yeah.
things other.
Yeah,
than-
so you get some notebook or some maybe chocolates are there.
And
So for
pens as
students,
well.
so everyone I think gets something.
Correct.
So I think it's a good thing, and you can attend it if you are coming here even 1 week before, as he said, of your classes. So that's it for this video. Thank you, Muntasir, for sharing the insights about the homework tomb as well, and suggesting a very interesting topic about the latex. And rest, like, comment, share, subscribe. It doesn't take much time. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao. Namaste.
Assalamu alaikum.
Chalo. See you in new day, new vlog.